It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look that I've created today, just keep watching. If you want to know what I use, I'm not sure if I showed it in the tutorial or not, but I did use the OPV palette, the OPV Gorgeous palette. It's the get hair all over my mouth. So I'm using the OPV Gorgeous palette. I'm only using like the browns in here and like one orange shade just to blend it up into my eyebrows. Then the main star is the orange shade, which is my collection, my cosmetic brand or whatever, hdbeautycosmetics. And if you wanted to buy just this color, it's called tangerine, but if not this stack, oh my god, I can't speak English today. Okay, so this shade is called tangerine. If you wanted to buy just this shade, it's called tangerine, just in case you want to buy just this shade. But if not, it also comes in this stack right here. It's called the rainbow stack, which goes for £15, and there's 6 neon shades. What else did I want to say about it? Yeah, that's what I use on my lid. Then on top of that, I also used one of my pigment shades, which is yet to have a name, but I think it's going to be called Frosty. That's what it's going to be called, sorry. It's called Frosty. It's a pigment. It's a white pigment, which you see me use in the video. I just put it on top so I can do like a glow in the dark type video, which you'll soon see. You would have either seen it or you see at the end of the tutorial. So I use that on top, and I also use that for highlight, which you see when I do the slow-mo thing. Then what else did I use? That was it, I think. For lips, I just used the Colourpop lipstick in LAX and NYX lip gloss in Natural. It's a Mega Shine lip gloss, but everything will be linked down in everything will be listed down in the description below. Yeah, I think that's it. Yes, that's what I want to say. Don't forget to follow my socials. My Instagram, which is hdbeauty.makeup, my Snapchat, which is Halima D, and my Twitter, which is Dada Halima with a H at the end. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, love you guys, bye.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. These body baby, oh. These body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel me late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in all the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low. Tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ bad man point instrumental. Giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man see go take you there. Pull up. Bad man feel not gone away. It's okay. Bad man feel go take you there. Pull up.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding at the think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in at the think so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.